Yo, what up? Peace and blessing to the fam. This your big homie Jed, and you are rocking with the Retro Insider YouTube channel. Thank you so much to all you new and returning visitors for checking out today's unboxing. And as you can see, we have a familiar made in the USA box. So we will be unboxing. Let's see. You already know, but I'll show you. The New Balance 998 in the M998AWK variant. Now this is a shoe that released in the summer of 2019 and was a part of the festival pack that celebrated that 60s music festival era that included like the Woodstock, the famous Woodstock. So as you can see, this is a very unique psychedelic shoe, if I do say so myself. Now, for those of you who have been following the channel, you already know that the 998 is probably my favorite silhouette, but I was able to get these for a great deal. So stay to the end of the video to make sure you get all the info of where I got these and how much I paid and where you can get a pair if you're interested. So let's give you a quick look around at this particular shoe. And this is, like I said, part of a pack. Now, the second model was like a black and blue model that was a little bit more limited. It was exclusive to newbalance.com. And even this one was more available, but still not just a GR, so to speak. Only a few retailers had these. So, as I imagined, this definitely sold out, not as quickly as I thought it would online at newbalance.com, and then the other retailers, they're slowly starting to sell out. But there are some sizes available. But as you can see, let me give you a pan around, a little bit closer look. The materials on this are superb. That's what you get from the Made in the USA New Balance. The materials, the suede, I think is the best in the business. And then the construction is fairly pristine. Now, as you can see, we got multiple patterns on this shoe. On the toe box and in the inside of the logo, we have this green and white pattern. Then located on the back heel portion, we have more of a floral type pattern. And in the tongue, we have this pink, which is another floral type pattern. So, I mean, it all comes together to make one funky shoe, which I think if you're a New Balance 998 head, you have to have a pair of these. Simple as that. I mean, it's just no other model has this type of funkiness to it, for lack of a better term. So, I love the yellow laces. I mean, just crazy. The yellow laces just make this thing pop. And then it's crazy how everything kind of come together, because you wouldn't think brown, this kind of green and this lighter green would work, but it does to me. So that's just my opinion. So yeah, a very great shoe, not only stylish but also comfortable. If you haven't bought a New Balance 998, you'll instantly, once you stick your foot in it, see how nice it feels. It has that absorb technology, which is long lasting. I've had pairs of New Balances for years and the midsole still holds up. So yeah, if you're into that, will definitely fit your needs in that regard. So the full written review will be up probably in the next couple days, so check the link in the description where I will post to the full review that will be posted on the retroinsider.com. And yeah, as far as where I got these from a smaller boutique in Florida called Fresh Rags. I had just heard of them around New Year's time. You know, you can kind of catch a lot of deals during New Year's, and I seen where they had these available for under retail. So $126 after a promo code, but then after shipping I paid less than $140. I think it was like $138. So an incredible deal for a shoe that retails for $180. And I don't know if they have any sizes left, but I know ycmc.com does have sizes left, so I'll throw a link to both of those sites in the description. But I know YCMC definitely has sizes available. Not a full size run, but a lot of you probably can look up and get these. So if these have been on your radar or now currently on your radar, this is a great cop, no doubt about it. No doubt about it. And let me know what you guys think about this particular shoe in the comments. Do you like it? If so, what are the things that you like about the shoe the most? And if you don't like it, tell me why you don't like it. I respect both perspectives, any perspective rather. And yeah, I just want to give y'all a quick look at this. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all that good stuff. Check out the website for more sneaker news, reviews, how to cop tips, all that good stuff. So until next time, I will not keep you any longer today. Y'all take care. Stay humble and proceed.